Welcome to Ask and Learn.
Hello students, let us understand a curious case of the patient Abby and the ethical dilemmas associated with her case. Now Abby has undergone melanoma treatment. Afterwards, she gave consent for usage of tissue samples. Now herein what we have been observing that the researcher who performed the research on the tissue samples found out that there was a mutation in the form of translocation. Observed on other chromosomes. Now, it might be worth mentioning here that the melanoma of the patient has been cured. So, if this particular mutation is allowed to perpetuate or perpetuates in the future generation or in life of Abby, if she becomes pregnant, will manifest as there might be 50% spontaneous miscarriage. There might be a case then of 25% wherein the progeny might be severely deformed. Now the third case might be that, and only 25% chance again, that she might have a healthy child. Now the whole dilemma is about whether to inform Abby or to keep the information from her. Let us see the various points given here in terms of different subparts and the options associated with it. See the first and the C option. Now herein what the C option is trying to tell us that it is the right to autonomy which also includes the right to not have unwanted information forced upon a person. So therefore, the right option for the part 1 would be C. Let us see the second question and the option A. The option A says that about the ethical guideline, and herein it is all about right for self-determination. That is, the patient should be informed so that the patient can make medical for his or her own benefit. Now let us see the option number 3 and let's come to the part B. The part B, what it tells us is, it says about the best way to avoid. The best way to avoid this particular dilemma is to amend the informed consent process and to include statement so that the subject under consideration of the patient is appropriately notified and hence can make a informed decision, and the researcher can tell or brief the patient about what is going to happen with the patient in near future, or what can be the various possibilities of the outcome which the researcher has seen. As for part 4, let's see the option B. Here the option B talks about the researcher must inform the patient as well as the committee concerned So basically it is talking about ethically supporting the recommendation. So 1C, 2A, 3B and 4B are the correct answers. Hope you found the video useful. Thank you.